Hey, what's going on, guys? So, went to the grocery store and I was getting some meat, and I saw this. I was actually looking for the Coke. What is it? The Y3000, which is a new Coke flavor, which sounded really interesting. But I saw this instead. They don't have the Coke one out yet, but they have Fanta, zero sugar, WhatTheFanta, or hashtag WhatTheFanta, 0 calorie mystery flavored soda. So obviously we have the kind of Halloween theme with the little spider hanging there. Cool bottle. There's it is actually a black label, but it's black, like this liquid is black. So we're gonna go ahead and see what this is like. I'm gonna put you up on the dash for a second while I open it. Alrighty, hold on, I'll come back, don't worry. All right, so cold right out of that cold case. Interesting. Smells sweet. Man, I know that smell, I just can't place what it's from. Initial impressions were like grape soda, but then immediately went away to something else. Bottoms up. Wow, that is super specific. It's like, it's definitely a candy, which, like, I like all these different types of candies and stuff, but as far as like being original for flavoring, I mean, how many candies can you do, right? Heavily carbonated, super sweet, like extra sweet. I like sweet stuff, but this is actually a little too sweet. My best guess, honestly, is Smarties. And I don't even know if there's a distinct flavor of Smarties, because it's really sweet. It has that kind of a chalky thing going on for it, which is making me think of Smarties. Man, busy today. Lots of action everywhere. I'm gonna say lime Smarties. That's my guess. I have no idea if they even have the answer out yet, but Fanta, WhatTheFanta. I like the, like I said, I like the jet black. Probably lots of food coloring in there to make it black. I guess that's it. Lime Smarties. See them at the grocery store here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So I'm heading home. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. Let me know down in the comment section if you got this WhatTheFanta for 2023, what you think it is, but that's my best guess. It's hard to tell. Like, again, all these candy things, I mean, if I find out the flavor later on and I go, I'm not even close, and they go, oh yeah, no, that totally tastes like that, I could see that. But just having a guess with no clue whatsoever, it actually makes things really hard. That's why I like doing these. I think they're super fun. Plus, I like trying things. But yeah, it's good. It's just too sweet for me. Like, if this was a regular flavor, I definitely wouldn't get it. Even though I like the flavor, sometimes the fake sweetener, it ends up being the sweeter version. I don't even know if there's a full sugar version of this or not. But anyway, that's all. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow. Take care.